Young rocket shit never bridges. I had a gang riding in the business. Nigga be quiet, you a itty bitty. Trip, catch front end, back end, then deal. Bad little bitch, yeah, she came out tilt. No little strap, Katy Paul like clips. Gon' get it bad and I flip like gems. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's your boy Trendsetter, aka, you know what I'm saying, Drip Master, aka Drip God, aka Flick to Fred, aka Just Freddy. So, what's up with y'all? I got another video. Today's video is gonna be on essentials. So, I was on Instagram or whatever. If y'all don't got my Instagram, y'all need to go follow me. But back to the topic. I was on Instagram and I posted a jean jacket. And I was saying it was $20. It's essential. Y'all need to go get it. So, somebody DM me and said I need to make a video on that. And that's true. You know what I'm saying? I need to let folks know what's essential and what's not essential. Now, when I say this, I mean like stuff that you really need. Like, if you don't have no other clothes, you need to have this. Whether it's to keep you warm, whether it's to keep you not as hot, you know what I'm saying, in the hotter times or whatever. You know what I'm saying? What's just essential for you, but also keep you looking good at the same time. So, right now we in August. August is we in hot times, you know what I'm saying, especially when I'm in Alabama and I'm about to go to back to Savannah, Savannah, Georgia, to school, and it's definitely gonna be hot there. So we talk about in the 90s, but we creeping into, you know what I'm saying, some colder times. So these are going to be essentials, but these are going to be leaning more towards fall. So essentials, you need just some hats. Hats are essential. I suggest you can find some at places like Ross and stuff for like $10 and stuff like that. But hats is cheap. When you go into stuff like fitted caps go run you like $40 each hat. So it's not too much essential, but just getting some quick little dad hats for your, you know what I'm saying, your bad hair days and all that. Cause you go have them, everybody got them. You can just throw you on a little hat and get out of there. So yeah. Dad hats, you know what I'm saying, we started at the top. So hats, your dad hats are essential. You can get more fancy with it, you know what I'm saying, if you want to. You can grab your little bucket hat or whatever. You can grab your fitted caps and all that. But just the basics that you can really find at any spot, yeah, get some dad hats. So moving on down, you got your t-shirts. So I told y'all this is geared more towards, you know what I'm saying, the fall weather. So with the fall you have to layer. It's all about how you layer things. So you know what I'm saying, I got my Future merch, that High of Life, you know what I'm saying. It's all about layering. So it might be really cold and windy this day. This day it might be a little hotter. So one, you might start off in the morning with a hoodie, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Shamir. You know what I'm saying. You might start off with a hoodie on top of your shirt in the morning. Say you going to school, you woke up, you throwing this on. You know what I'm saying? Just because it's cold outside, it's in the morning. Then by the time you get out of school, 3 o'clock, you just got on this, like your hoodie. You trying to.
I'm sweaty. Where? What? I'm sweaty. Where at? On my butt crack and my balls and everywhere.
Oh, butt crack in your balls.
That's what I mean by layering. And going back to it, the most essential part of layering, your jean jackets. So to me, jean jackets are about the best invention ever, because they just make your fit can look 10 times better with jean jackets. And I got this one. I just got that I was talking about. I got this from TJ Maxx for $20 to look for jean jackets, because they are going to be on sale. Now, if you wait until the fall, you're gonna be paying like $60 depending on where you go. Now, everybody has their store in the mall where they sell jeans for cheap and stuff like that. You can get it for $20, but you know what I'm saying, that motherfucker might have anything on the back. You know what I'm saying. Drip is a lifestyle, goddamn. Drip for days. anything on the back or on the side. So you never know. It's a hit and miss with them stores. So I suggest y'all go to your TJ Maxx's, your Ross's, you know what I'm saying? Really any one of those stores, or just look online. You can go on ASOS. You can go on, just go online, go look, you know, yeah, find your little jean jacket that's cheap for right now. But jean jackets are essential just because you can take them on and off. It's not a heavy layer. We ain't talking about no bubble coat. We ain't talking about no leather jacket. Jean jackets are very breathable, and you can throw them on top of your hoodie or on top of a t-shirt. So it's just so many ways to style them. That's why they are so important to me. I just showed y'all the light denim and the black denim because that's what I feel. If you ain't got a lot of money in your pocket right now and you ain't got time, you can't go buy every different shade of jean jacket. Them are the main two you need to get because those are just what's trending the most and what's gonna get you by. You know what I'm saying? You can still work your magic. You can still pull who you want to pull with them too. You don't need too much. You know what I'm saying? That's the little sauce. You know what I'm saying, that you can get. So when it comes to moving down off the jean jackets, you got your jeans. So as y'all can see, pulled out a light pair and a black pair. Essential. You know what I'm saying? These just the two shades that are essential. You can, folks get more spicy with it, and I do too. I might get a different shade of blue, or you know what I'm saying, some ashy black or stuff like that. But them are the main two you need, just because, again, they can really get you by. That's all you need. These are essential things. I ain't speaking on, you know what I'm saying, how to spice it up or none of that. These just basic things that y'all need. So yeah, I'm telling you that y'all need to pay attention to this. Hey, and again, you got the pants. And I had to pull out some jogging pants just cause why not? It's fall, you know what I'm saying? You can't really do the gym shorts too much no more. So get y'all some jogging pants. You can find them anywhere. And that's the great thing about jogging pants. It matters not at all what brand it is. It doesn't matter at all. Going to the shoes. So, in the shoes, how I'm gonna play it out is, I'm gonna play it out as if I'm in high school or whatever, and I only got like two options. It's about to be the start of school, you know what I'm saying, around this time in August, and especially since before Corona, schools are starting back in like September. Just say something happened to where it's just regular school, we going back to school, whatever. I only got two pairs of shoes, two choices for the beginning of the year. Some essential shoes I'll be choosing is a pair of shoes that can go with any color, with anything I wear, you know what I'm saying, and that's functional. As y'all can see, I got the Nike Blazers right here, and these just like some old school, you know what I'm saying, functional shoes that really can get me around, and they comfortable, and they can really go everything, you know what I'm saying, I need to go with. So I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I just wore them today. I'm gonna throw up a little picture of that. But yeah, so I would get some functional shoes like this, most definitely. And I would probably, because I know I used to only have two shoe options. I used to get something trendy. So I used to get something trendy that I can really wear, and that, you know what I'm saying, catch a lot of eyes. So with ones these days, there's so many ones. Ones come out almost twice a week. It's some ones that we really do not catch, and those can be mid tops, high tops, low tops. There's so many colorways out here, and ones can run you from 110 to about, you know what I'm saying, 190, depending on your shoe size. But it's so many options out here for ones, and they're trendy. So whatever color you get, people gonna mess with them. And yeah, they're really nice shoes. That's it. So I would always get, those are my two options that I would get as essentials. Some that's I can wear that's functional but still looks good, and also something that's trendy but I can still, you know what I'm saying, wear them a lot. Because ones, as y'all can see, I definitely beat those up. I definitely beat them up. Yeah, just got the Blazers here. Just some nice shoes. They different and they got a little color to them. So yeah, I went over those essentials, those essential things that you need. Please remember them. Remember, I did not spice anything up. This is just the simple stuff that I think everyone needs, and I think that everyone should have in their wardrobe. You know what I'm saying? Because it's clean. You know, ain't nothing too extra about it, but it's still not bland. There ain't nothing dusty about it either. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all be easy out here. Make sure y'all wash your ass. Make sure y'all wash your hands. Wash your ass. Wash your hands. Remember that. And yeah, please be safe. It's getting very real out here, and as it gets colder, we do not know what to look forward to. But yeah, sending blessings, sending all good vibes y'all way, and yeah, I'm out.
Shit sound like water. Shit sound like the ocean. Shit sound like nature.